In this video, I'm going to show you how to make changes to an existing curtain wall that you have loaded into Revit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a door panel in this glazed panel that I currently have. So the first step is going to be to click on that bottom mullion and then click on Delete to eliminate it. Now in the default Revit file, you have only a solid and a glazed panel in terms of options. So what that means is I need to load in another type if I want a door. Within the curtain wall panel folder, there are only a series of fixed panels. If I need a door, I would go to the door folder, and in this case I'm going to use this one called curtain wall single glass. I'll double click on that to load it into the file. Alright, now the next step, and it's a little bit tricky, is to select the panel that you want to replace with the door. Frequently you won't be able to pick that panel from the beginning, but what you can do is select something close to it, like I've done here. I've selected a mullion that's above, and then use the Tab key to toggle through objects that are within the proximity of the panel. And once that panel is selected, then double click on it. So here we go. I'm going to click on this mullion. Oops. If it lets me. There we go. And then I will begin to tab. There it goes. Alright, double click on the panel once the blue rectangle appears around it. And then you can go and change that to the different type of unit that you've brought in. There's my curtain wall single glass, and I'll double click on that. As you can see, the handle is on the left side, and it would be better for this location to have it on the right. So I will then go to level 2, which is where this is located, and click on the arrow key to mirror it. Then I'll go back to my elevation. Okay, so now it's flipped. So I can also change other aspects of the curtain wall, like currently it's glazed at these panels here. I can change them to solid through a similar process where I click on something nearby, and then I tab until it finds that panel, and then I double click on it. Once it's been illuminated like it is on the screen here, I can change that to a different type of panel, and I'll make it solid. Okay, so now it's a solid panel. If I change my visual style to shaded, for example, you can see it's now been changed to a different type of panel. And now I've changed all of the panels along that top row. Other changes that you can make are moving the location of the mullions. I'll go back to hidden line, visual style. Now, similar to changing the panels, to move a mullion may require you to tab through elements. For example, I've selected this vertical mullion, but in order to move it, I need to select the curtain grid. So I'm going to tab until it's illuminated, then double click, and now I can move that location to another position like that.